Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make L&L macaroni salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of elbow macaroni, about 2.5 to 3 cups of mayonnaise, and some shredded carrots. We'll also use apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper to create that signature creamy, tangy, and slightly sweet flavor. Cooking the macaroni correctly is key, so let's get started with that first. Now, let's get our main components ready. Boil your elbow macaroni in salted water until it's very soft, not al dente. This helps it absorb the dressing later. Drain the pasta well and cool it completely. While that cools, shred your carrots and mince any optional onion. Some recipes suggest adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the hot macaroni right after draining, then chilling it for about 15 minutes. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. It really helps the channel. On another note, just like a good macaroni salad needs quality ingredients, your feet deserve quality too. Life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously the best. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. The dressing is where the magic happens for L&L macaroni salad. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2.5 to 3 cups of your favorite mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Next, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for that essential tang. Finish by seasoning with 2 teaspoons of salt and half a teaspoon of white pepper. Whisk until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Once your macaroni and vegetables are cool, pour that delicious, creamy dressing over them. Gently fold everything together, ensuring every piece of macaroni and every bit of carrot is thoroughly coated. This step is crucial for flavor distribution. Cover your bowl and refrigerate the macaroni salad for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.